Good morning everyone, this is Meet from grade 8. Today I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Monday and today's date is 30th June 2025. Thank you and have a nice day.
A fresh good morning to respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. This is Darshan Sada from grade 8. Today I am going to say motivational thought. My thought is, if you really want to do something, you will find way. If you don't, you will find excuses. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
A very fresh morning to one and all. I am Ananya Kekle from grade 8.
I am Delina Solanki from grade 8.
I am Sakshi Dubey from grade 8.
This is Ayushi Dum from grade 8. Today we are going to tell you importance of the day. We are observing World Asteroid Day. It is observed every year on 30th June. It helps us to learn about asteroids and how we can protect Earth from them.
Now you all might be wondering what are asteroids. Asteroids are the rocky objects that orbit the sun. Also they were left over from the formation of solar system.
There are three main types of asteroids. Firstly, C-type. It is mainly made up of carbon. Secondly, S-type. It is mainly made of silicate. Third type is M-type. It is mainly made up of metal.
I have something interesting to discuss with you all, called the famous asteroid impact. The Tunguska event in 1908, a large explosion in Russia caused by an asteroid or a comet. The Chicxulub crater in Mexico, where an asteroid that may have wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to send the message that be curious, ask questions about the universe, and also understand how we can protect Earth through science.
May our curiosity for the stars continue to grow. Also young minds of today become the
Space explorers and tomorrow, protectors of tomorrow. Thank you.